been subscribed for a little while. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button before you go and check out my playlist. I'm so glad that you guys found me here on the big world of YouTube. Today I'm just doing a cleaning and bake with me, and I ended up making some chocolate chip cookies towards the end of the video. I am 23 weeks pregnant, so if you're wondering, I'm in that pregnant, but am I really pregnant kind of stage of pregnancy. And I ended up actually having some pains in my stomach towards the end of the video after I made the cookies, so my sweet husband actually did the dishes for me, so you'll get to see him doing some cleaning at the end of the video as well. If you guys want to check out my Instagram, you can find that down in my description box linked below, and I hope to see you guys soon.
I really need your help. I'm going under. Save me from myself. All I really ever wondered is if I'm really going under. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. 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 What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster. A reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change.
Okay guys, so I took a nap. It's been a while since you last saw me. My phone's right here. Let's see. It's 8:18 p.m. I think you guys last saw me at like 2 or 3. So I'm looking a little crazy with the hair. I was asleep. You know. But I want to make some cookies. So I was just going to do that, and then I'm going to clean the kitchen afterwards. I'm just going to make the cookies from the Magnolia Table by Joanna Gaines. Just the basic chocolate chip cookie recipe. I haven't tried this one, but I've been wanting to try recipes out of this cookbook, so it seemed like the perfect time. Cooper and Sean are playing in the living room, so they live here. They're gonna play. So if you hear them in the background, we have a pretty open floor plan. So I'm just gonna do this in real time with you guys and make it. So I already preheated my oven to 350. And a medium bowl, I didn't grab that, oops. Then I need to whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. So, flour is 2½ cups of flour. I thought this recipe was interesting because, I mean, it's been a while since I've baked cookies from scratch, like a long time. But I feel like most cookie recipes have white and brown sugar. Am I losing my mind? This recipe only has brown sugar with no white sugar.
Redemption ever came. I stopped asking for forgiveness.
Baking soda calls for 1 heaping teaspoon.
But you keep trying to get too close.
And next the salt, but I'm using salted butter. So I'm going to cut the salt by at least half. It calls for half a teaspoon of sea salt. I don't have sea salt, I just have normal salt. And I'm going to do about half of it, so I'm going to do like a 1/4 teaspoon because I'm using salted butter. And it calls for unsalted. Okay, what's next? So just stir that together, set it aside. And a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment. Mix the butter and sugar on medium-high until light and fluffy, 2 to 3 minutes, then add the eggs and beat until blended. Add the vanilla and beat until blended. So I guess I will tell you guys the measurements. So I'm doing, it's 1 stick of butter, 2 cups of brown sugar, and 2 large eggs, and 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract.
Redemption
Okay, so I just did that, and I ended up adding a little bit more vanilla than it actually called for. And now we're just going to add in that flour mixture.
We just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
Now that that is all done, I'm going to add the chocolate chips in. and just turn the mixture on for a minute to let those mix in. And then we're gonna put them on the cookie sheet. So that was super easy. Hopefully they're good. It cooks for 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. 1.5 cups of chocolate chips.
Looks like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became.
Like I said, 350. Set it to the browned on top 10 to 11 minutes. Cool on pan for 1 minute and then put on a rack to cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in and then finish scooping out the dough onto another baking sheet and let those hopefully cook while I get the kitchen picked up.
I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
Hi, Dada. You gonna try some cookie with Dada?
You want to buy a cookie?
He says yes. They're fresh from the oven.
Don't eat me. Here, take a bite. No, don't shove the whole thing in there. Take a bite. Here, you can hold that.
What do you think about Mama's cookies?
Say, mm-hmm.
They yummy?
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moon.
They definitely taste good. Cooper and Sean think so too. But they definitely don't like the picture. They definitely are a lot like flatter than the pictures. And I followed the recipe pretty well. Let me mix it around and show you. Here's what they're supposed to look like. And mine look more like this. So, but they do taste good. The real question is, once they're cool, are they still going to be kind of chewy or will they be crunchy? And I don't think I overbaked them either. So we'll see. But those are definitely good. The last pan is in the oven right now. And I used a timer for that actually. Hello. And then I'm gonna do the dishes and wipe the counter. I think that'll be everything for tonight.
Close through the night. I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life and say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape.